Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to prove the trigonometric form of the Siva's theorem. You are already familiar with the form first, and the form 2 is the corresponding trigonometric form. To obtain the trigonometric form we have to use the sine rule. Okay, fine, let's start. First we construct the triangle ABC, and X is a point on the side BC such that if angle AXC is theta, then angle AXB is what? Pi minus theta. Using sine rule in triangle ABX and triangle ACX, what we can write? BX upon AB. Using sine rule in triangle ABX, we can write BX upon AB equals to sine angle BAX upon sine of pi minus theta. And now in triangle ACX we can write CX upon AC. CX upon AC equals to sine angle CAX upon sine theta. And if we divide these two results, what we get? What we get? BX upon CX equals to AB by AC. Sine pi minus theta is actually sine theta, therefore the denominator will cancel out, and AB by AC into sine angle BAX upon sine angle CAX. Similarly, we can find other ratios. BX by XC we have find out, and we talk about CY by YA. This becomes what? If we work on CY by YA, then we get BC upon AB into sine angle CBY upon sine angle ABY, and the last ratio AZ by ZB. AZ by ZB equals to AC upon BC into sine angle ACZ upon sine angle BCZ. Okay, now using these values in this result, this one, what we get? We get AB by AC into BC by AB into AC by BC into sine angle BAX into sine angle CBY into sine angle ACZ upon sine angle CAX into sine angle ABY into sine angle BCZ equals to 1. But AB cancel out, BC cancel out, AC cancel out. Therefore what we get from here? Sine angle BAX into sine angle CBY into sine angle ACZ upon sine angle CAX into sine angle ABY into sine angle BCZ equals to 1. This is the proof of the trigonometric form. And if we want to learn this result, we can use this approach. This is a triangle ABC. AX, BY and CZ are concurrent at point P, and this angle is 1, this angle is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a quick approach to learn the trigonometric form. In numerator, we can write sine angle 1, sine angle 3, sine angle 5. All odd numbers 1, 3, 5. And in denominator, we use even angles, sine angle 2, sine angle 4, sine angle 6 equals to 1. You can learn this result also. And this is the end of the trigonometric form. Thanks for watching.